Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Looker Studio for SEO dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Looker Studio homepage. If you already have a Google account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you do not have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type SEO dashboards into the search bar and press enter. Browse the search results to find SEO dashboard templates suited for your needs. Click on the dashboard template that catches your interest to view its details. If you want to use the template, click on the Use Template button. A pop-up will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use. Confirm your selection by clicking on Allow to grant necessary permissions. The dashboard will load in a new window within Google Looker Studio. Now, familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Explore the different components, such as charts and data sources. To customize the dashboard to fit your SEO needs, click on the Edit button. You can then modify data fields by connecting to relevant data sources. To add your own data, select the Add a Data Source option. Choose from the available data connectors, like Google Analytics or Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to authenticate access to your chosen data source. Once connected, customize the dashboard visuals as needed. After completing your customizations, click on the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing settings, determine who can view or edit the dashboard. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the dashboard with, if applicable. Click Send to share the dashboard with your users. Return to the main Google Looker Studio page to see your newly created dashboard listed. Your dashboard is now ready to be used for SEO analysis. Regularly check and update your data sources to keep your dashboard current. This concludes the process of subscribing to Google Looker Studio for SEO dashboards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.